this is Ivy from HUIDA Technology. Many friends ask many questions about HUIDA products. So today, this is the Q&A video about our HUIDA agriculture drones. First question, this friend want to know whether our HUIDA agriculture drones can really kill corn rat spider mites.
Sure, firstly, we must choose the correct pesticides and pour it into the drone medicine box to achieve the purpose of killing pests. When drones are working, in order to effectively kill rat spider mites, the particle size of the droplets need to be adjusted to the minimum, and the flight speed should be slower. What's more, the height should be relatively low, so that the pesticides can be effectively sprayed on the corn leaves.
Okay, another friend asked what's the load capacity of HD510 Pro. Our HD510 Pro load capacity is 50 kilograms and our spraying tank can up to 40 liters.
510 Pro can achieve a spraying efficiency of 1 to 1.5 tons per hour and the spraying efficiency of the 20 hectares per hour. Combined with the user plant protection needs, it can be applied in multiple scenarios of crop sowing, fertilization, and pesticide spraying. After setting the operation parameter, the operation is really worry-free.
Okay, that's all. It's easy, right? So everyone, if you have any question about our agriculture drones, you can leave your comment down below.